Damac Islands is a luxurious waterfront community located in the Dubailand area of Dubai near Exit 36 on Emirates Road, E611. Launched in late 2024, this master-planned development by Damac Properties has quickly become one of Dubai's most sought-after residential destinations. The project spans over 30 million square feet and features 6 unique clusters inspired by famous island destinations such as the Maldives, Bora Bora, and Seychelles. Each cluster offers a distinct lifestyle and design, catering to diverse preferences while maintaining a cohesive tropical luxury theme. Damac Islands combine the tranquility of island living with the convenience of urban amenities. The community boasts pristine beaches, crystal-clear lagoons, and lush landscaping, creating a serene escape within the bustling city. Despite its peaceful ambiance, the development enjoys excellent connectivity to key areas of Dubai, with major attractions and business hubs easily accessible. The neighborhood's character is defined by its family-friendly atmosphere, emphasis on wellness, and commitment to sustainable living. With its record-breaking launch selling 10 billion AED worth of properties in just 10 hours, Damac Islands has established itself as a premier destination for luxury real estate in Dubai. Damac Islands pros: world-class amenities including aquadome, jungle river, and private beaches. Strategic location near major highways for easy access to key areas of Dubai. Resort-like atmosphere with luxurious waterfront lifestyle. Emphasis on sustainability with energy-efficient construction and water-saving technologies. Integrated security management systems for enhanced safety. Exclusive atmosphere with high-end properties and facilities. Damac Islands cons: high property prices and living costs, with townhouses starting from 2.25 million AED. Potential noise disturbances from ongoing construction and community events. Possible traffic congestion during peak hours. Location in Dubailand may require longer commutes to certain parts of the city. Limited public transportation options compared to more central Dubai locations. Ongoing development may lead to temporary inconveniences for early residents. Accessibility and transportation. Damac Islands benefits from excellent accessibility and transportation options, enhancing its appeal as a prime residential destination in Dubai. The development is strategically located near Exit 36 on Emirates Road, E611, providing seamless access to major transportation networks. This positioning allows residents to reach key areas of Dubai quickly and efficiently. While Damac Islands itself does not have direct metro access, Dubai's expensive metro system is accessible via major connecting roads. The community is well served by Dubai's efficient bus network, with routes connecting to various parts of the Damac Island city. In July 2024, the Roads and Transport Authority (RTA) introduced a new bus route, DA2, connecting Damac Hills, a nearby development, to Dubai Studio City. This route operates daily with a 2-hour frequency starting at around 5:45 AM and ending at around 9:30 PM. By the way, if you reached this far of the video, a like and sub to the channel would be appreciated. Thank you. The development's location offers convenient access to important landmarks and attractions. Sports City is just 15 minutes away, while Dubai International Airport can be reached in 30 minutes. Tilal Al Ghaf is a mere 15-minute drive, and Al Maktoum International Airport is 37 kilometers away. This strategic positioning ensures that residents can easily access both leisure and essential facilities, making Damac Islands an ideal choice for those seeking a well-connected luxury living experience in Dubai. Residential properties. When researching high-end property in Dubai, a Damac Islands review often highlights the luxurious waterfront living and innovative architectural designs offered within this ambitious development. It offers a diverse residential property catering to various preferences and lifestyles. The development features spacious 4 and 5 bedroom townhouses, as well as expansive 5, 6, and 7 bedroom villas. Each property is meticulously designed to complement the waterfront lifestyle with island-inspired architectural elements. Damac Islands property prices reflect its premium positioning in Dubai's real estate market. Townhouses start from 2.25 million AED for a 4-bedroom unit, while 5-bedroom townhouses begin at 3.07 million AED. The luxurious Damac Islands villas command higher prices, with 6-bedroom villas ranging from 6.31 million AED to 13.57 million AED, and 7-bedroom villas start from 18.5 million AED. The development is divided into 6 unique clusters, each inspired by famous island destinations. The Damac Islands Maldives cluster, which was part part of the first phase, features opulent 7-bedroom mansions starting from 18.6 million AED. The recently launched Damac Islands Bora Bora cluster in Phase 2 offers a mix of townhouses and villas, combining modern design with tropical aesthetics. Another notable addition is the Damac Islands Bali cluster, which introduces 5-bedroom townhouses in a tranquil setting inspired by the Indonesian paradise. It is important to note that prices may vary depending on the source, exact property location, size, and specific features. Amenities and facilities. Damac Islands boasts an impressive array of amenities and facilities designed to enhance residents' quality of life. The development features the Aqua Dome, a central water-themed attraction perfect for family-friendly activities. Residents can enjoy the Jungle River, Jungle Swing, and Aqua Park, offering various water-based attractions and slides. For shopping and dining, the community houses a dynamic retail center with upscale shopping options and excellent restaurants. Carrefour Supermarket, located in the Damac Hills 2 Community Center, formerly known as Akoya Oxygen Community Center, serves as the primary grocery store within Damac Hills 2, which is a nearby neighborhood to Damac Islands. Residents can also access additional supermarkets like Choithrams and Spinneys. The development offers world-class recreational facilities, including wellness centers, spas, and fitness centers equipped with the latest technology. Residents have access to private beaches, beautifully landscaped parks, and sports facilities. Private clubhouses provide spaces for socializing and relaxation. Damac Islands. Fiji represents a new development by Damac Properties, aiming to create a luxurious residential experience with potential for resort-style living inspired by the tropical beauty of Fiji. For education, nearby options include Ranches Primary School, Fairgreen International School, and South View School. Healthcare needs are met by nearby facilities such as Mediclinic Parkview Hospital, Al-Zahra Hospital, and Asta Clinic. The community also emphasizes sustainability, incorporating energy-efficient construction methods and advanced water-saving technologies. Damac Lagoons, a significant portion of the Damac Islands project, is designed around a network of lagoons, intending to create a resort-like atmosphere with water-based recreational activities. Lifestyle and community. Damac Islands offers a vibrant and luxurious lifestyle that blends resort-style living with modern urban conveniences. The community is designed to foster a sense of tranquility and adventure with its tropical-inspired architecture and lush landscaping. The development hosts a variety of events and activities that bring residents together. Regular island music festivals feature international artists, while outdoor cinema nights offer screenings under the stars. The community also organizes night markets by the sea, combining shopping with live music and gourmet food experiences. Damac Islands attracts a diverse mix of residents, primarily consisting of affluent families and professionals seeking a premium waterfront lifestyle. The community reflects Dubai's cosmopolitan nature, with residents from various nationalities contributing to a rich cultural tapestry. The lifestyle at Damac Islands emphasizes wellness and social interaction. Residents can enjoy unique amenities such as glass kayaking, hydro flying, and holographic golf courses. The development also features treehouse retreats for relaxation and yoga, catering to those seeking a balance between excitement and serenity. Community bonding is fostered through shared spaces like the Central Hub Fountain, which serves as a popular gathering spot for socializing and relaxation. Regular beachfront events and activities in the clubhouses further enhance the sense of community among residents. Verdict. Damac Islands, a luxurious waterfront community in Dubailand, represents a prime opportunity for a Dubai villa investment. With its stunning island homes Dubai and a range of upscale villa and townhouse project Dubai options, launched as one of Damac's new projects in late 2024, it offers a unique resort-like lifestyle within a Dubai master community, featuring themed clusters like the Maldives and Bora Bora. The development's focus on high-end amenities, sustainability, and a vibrant community atmosphere makes it a desirable option for those looking to buy property in Dubai in a well-connected yet tranquil setting, despite the high price point. If you are looking to buy a villa in Dubai, Damac Islands may be a place you will want to consider.